This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Derik Baumgartner. 3-bed 2-bath 1.5 car garage villa in Monarch Country Club. Upgraded with PGT impact glass windows and sliding glass doors installed in 2018. Located on quiet cul-de-sac line with mature oak trees. And unit offers vaulted ceilings, split floor plan, wood laminate floors, screened atrium and glass enclosed Florida room. Kitchen features 30 white kitchen cabinets, newer counters, newer water appliances, eat-in kitchen. Spacious living room, formal dining room. Newer Carrier AC 2016, flat tile roof 2013. Come live the lifestyle in Monarch's very social atmosphere, close to clubhouse, pool, gym and restaurant. Country club membership available but not required. HOA fee includes lawn, irrigation, basic cable, internet, exterior insurance, manned security guard. Conveniently located to shopping, restaurants, 95 and Turnpike. Buyer to pay a one-time capital contribution of $936 to HOA. www.monarchclub.com and monarchoa.org. Easy to show, vacant on Supra. For more information, review the details below or contact Derik Baumgartner at 772-283-2800.